Hello, today we're going to do a quick screencast to show you how to log into the Center for Energy Workforce Development portal and learning management system. First, in your browser, browse to portal.cewd.org, and it will take you to this screen where you have a sign in, register link or a button at the top right. You can click either one of those to go to the sign in page. If you don't have an account, click sign up now, and you would enter this information, which is your first name, last name, email address, and a password. The password must be at least 8 characters long, have upper and lowercase characters, a number, and one of the special characters that you see here. Click the checkbox here to agree to the terms and conditions, and click create an account. At this point, you will see verify your email address, and you can go to your mailer and you should find a mail in there with a link in it to click to verify your address. And you may have heard my mailer just gong, and this is the mail that comes up. You can either click on this, or if your mailer doesn't allow direct clicking of a link, just copy it and paste it into your browser. And that will take you to a screen that says your account has been created. At that point, you can click on Continue to Enter, the National Training and Education Resource, and log in using the username and password that you just created, username being your email address. And this will take us back to the portal site. At this point, to take a course, you can browse here, find the course that you want to take, and click on it, and it will take you to the learning management system. It may require you to click sign in again, but you won't have to go through the password and that sort of information. But the first time you log on, you will have to accept the user agreement. And that brings you to the course. So to join the course, you click the Join tab and click Join. And then you can start taking the course at that point. And you probably heard my mail bong again. It just sent an email saying that I was signed up for the course. And now you can click on the course modules and the test and begin taking the course. Notice on the quizzes, some of the quizzes, quiz 1A for instance, it has a message down here. Basically this says you must complete the module, the learning module, successfully before it will allow you to take the test. Notice if I put my pointer there, it does not turn into the finger pointer like it does here. You can take the review scenario before you've completed the module, but you must successfully complete the module before you can take the main quiz for that module. Also within the modules, we'll start a module here so you can see you have a list of items here, and you can get course materials. Click the next button to scroll down and read the material. And in various places in the modules, there's one in here somewhere, there's a test question that's embedded in the course itself. And if you don't take that test question, it will not show that you have completed the module. Now if you notice up here we have a green and a yellow. Green means you finished a section, yellow means you've started but not completed, and gray means that it hasn't been started yet. So let me click this one and we'll go there, and there's a video that you can play, and there's also an embedded test question. So you have to enter some information here and click submit to be able to have this module turn to complete. And the ones that have test questions embedded will be a check mark instead of the green ball. It'll be a green check mark. So you must do that before you can move back and take the quiz. A few other things that might be helpful. You can click the hide button to hide that menu over at the left if you want more screen real estate, or you can click here to open and close that as well. Also, there's a glossary for each learning module that has definitions of terms. You can scroll down through those by clicking the glossary button, or if you see any text we go to the next lesson, and any text that's blue underlined, you can click on that to see the glossary information about what that definition is for the particular item there. Also, for most browsers, you can just put your pointer over the glossary item, and it will pop up in a little balloon pop-up that has the information about the glossary entry. I'm going to go ahead and finish this module offline to show you what it looks like once you've finished a module, so that you can see that you can take the quiz with a completed module. Okay, now I've gone through the module and finished it, so I can click the finish button, and it asks if I want to return, and it will close that window. And now as we get back to the test, you may have to refresh your screen to get it where it will allow you to take the quiz. Now you can see, after I refresh the screen, I've finished the first module, and I get the little click finger on quiz 1A. If I go down to quiz 1B, notice it doesn't do that because I haven't taken module 1B. I'm going to scroll back up to the top here. At the top, you have a personal desktop tab and the all courses tab that shows you all the courses available on the server. But I'll click on personal desktop for right now, and it shows you your course, and you can click the plus to open it, and it will show you what your status of that course is, which modules you've completed, which ones you haven't. If you flunk a test, it will be red, green shows completed, yellow means in progress. You can also click learning progress, and it will show you some learning progress for the information on that particular course. We'll go back, and inside each module you can also click the plus here, and it will open and show you the items inside the module, so you can see that you've completed each of these sections of that particular learning module. Well, that should be enough to get you started taking courses on the CEWD NTER learning system. Hope this video has been useful. Thank you very much.